Hello everyone, we are from Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune. Today we are going to present a topic that is accuracy. This PPT is represented by roll number 401 to 405 of A batch of final year B Pharm students. So let's start with accuracy. The accuracy of an analytical procedure expresses the closeness of agreement between the value which is accepted either as an conventional true value or an accepted reference value and the value found. Accuracy is sometimes termed as trueness. Then we are going to see procedure. The first step is from stock solution of API, prepare out 0.6 ml of stock solution in 3 different volumetric flasks. The second step is add 0.48, 0.6 and 0.72 of marked solution to those 3 different volumetric flasks and make up the volume up to 10 ml by methanol to obtain solution of concentration that is 80%, 100% and 120%. Then the next step, that is third step, is measure the absorbance of each concentration at 257 nanometer. Then next we are going to see about drug substance. There are several methods of determining accuracy are available. That is, first is application of an analytical procedure to an analyte of known purity. That is reference material. The second is comparison of the results of the proposed analytical procedure with those of a second well characterized procedure, the accuracy of which is stated or defined, that is independent procedure. The third one is accuracy may be inferred once precision, linearity and specificity have been established. Then next is about drug product. In cases where it is impossible to obtain samples of all drug product components, it may be acceptable either to add known quantities of the analyte to the drug product or to compare the results obtained from a second well-characterized procedure, the accuracy of which is stated or defined, that is independent procedure. The second one is accuracy may be inferred once precision, linearity, and specificity have been established. Then next we are going to see is impurities quantitation. Accuracy should be assessed on samples, drug substance or drug product, spiked with known amounts of impurities. In cases where it is impossible to obtain substance of certain impurities and or degradation product, it is considered acceptable to compare results obtained by independent procedure. It should be clear how the individual or total impurities are to be determined, that is weight or weight area percent in all cases with respect to the major analyte. The next is recommended data. Accuracy should be assessed using a minimum of 9 determinations over a minimum of 3 concentration level covering the specified range, that is 3 concentrations, 3 replicates each of the total analytical procedure. Then accuracy should be reported as percent recovery by the assay of known added amount of analyte in the sample or as the difference between the mean and the accepted true value together with the confidence intervals. Then the last one is limitations. The lower limit is the smallest value that would round up to the estimated value. Second is the upper limit is the smallest value that would round up to the next estimated value. And the third one is the limits of accuracy of measurement refers to the range of values within which the true value of the measurement lies. This PPT is prepared and represented by Siddhi Abang, Saloni Agarwal, Omkar Ahir, Akanksha Amritkar and Rutuja Andre. Thank you.